We're going to take a quick look at a Black Brothers 22D875 top only glue spreader. 50-inch rolls. They are designed to accommodate 48-inch wide material, up to a 4 3/8 inch daylight opening. Right now we do have it open to that 4 3/8 inches. It does open and close just like you would expect a Black Brothers 2, slightly stiff and firm, but easily. Really, really easy to use controls. This is your reset. Forward is going to be reverse. Center is neutral and forward is out. This machine is powered by a 1 horsepower Balder 208 234 60 volt motor. It does come with an NS and P glue pump. They have it plumbed coming down and then branching off to either side. Overall, your doctor roll and your lower feeder roll are in, I would say, good condition, maybe even good plus. The applicator roll does have a couple scars. Overall, I would say it is good minus condition. Definitely very usable. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.